What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time no see. I haven't been out here on these creeks, these rivers, in over a month. Work's been insane, had some vacation days, which I did take, and do some pond hopping down at the beach. Those videos will be up probably about Wednesday this week. We'll start that series off, maybe try a little midweek update along with my normal Sunday smallmouth trips. But it's the first time back out in the creek in a month, and there is some seriously low water. This is my third attempt on this creek to even find a spot that's worth fishing. There is no water anywhere. We are in some serious need of rain, but like I said, it's my first time back out in over a month. We're just gonna throw some Ned rigs around, maybe some swim baits, top water when it cools off here in a little bit. I haven't been fishing for any smallmouth since the water temps were in the mid 50s. It is currently like 72 degrees, but who knows, man? Hopefully these smallmouth are up and active and we can get on a few fish today. So you guys stick around, stay tuned, and enjoy. All right, I don't know if you guys seen my last few videos on this Nico crawl. I'm gonna throw it around. I'm really interested to see how many fish I can catch on this one single plastic. I think I'm up to 44. So I'm gonna drag this crawl around, a little Ned rig in this creek, and see what we can make happen. Man, look how low this water is. Super low, super clear. That does make for an interesting bite if you can see him chase. There we go. You can shoot him in the net right here. Just a little guy, nothing crazy. Nice little creek smallie though. He went back downstream, so let's see if there's anything else on this, under this tree over here. There we go. Little reaction strike. A little up shallow smallmouth. Haven't switched up yet. Still throwing that crawl. Maybe they're getting a little more active the further we go upstream here. All right, right here it's pretty deep. The creek is super clear, and you can see right here and right here. I mean, there's just suckers and there's drum, catfish. They're all over this hole. But I had saw some big smallmouth cruising, and I was just casting at them trying to get them to eat. And I saw one shoot under this rock over here, so I was trying to drag it this way. My line gets caught in the tree, and then this happens. Oh no. Well, I just hooked a pretty big catfish. I was stuck on that tree branch right there, and I was trying to get around him. How many fish are in that water? I bet there's 50 to 100 fish right here. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to show you this catfish right quick. I can get him unhooked and up here. That's a pretty good sized cat right there for the creek. Can't keep the bottom feeders off that Nico crawl today. Be free, buddy. All right, it has been a hot minute since I caught that last catfish. There was a muskie in the area. I was messing with him some. Could not entice him to eat. But since I already had that crawl off, I'm gonna put the top water on. Sun's starting to go down. We got a little bit of cloud cover. See if we can't get a few topwater fish. There we go. Little fella. chill. There we go. That one come from the lower end, smoked it. Not that big, but that was a sick blow up. Oh, forgot about that. Not very big, but man, full of energy. There we go. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh, that's a real good fish, boys. Stay down, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that. He absolutely T-boned that spook. Quit all that, quit all that. In the net, let's go, baby. That's a solid fish. Sure felt like a giant after that first or second jump out of the water there when I've been catching nothing but 10 to 12 inch smallmouth all day. All right, we got the scale zeroed out. I'm gonna say 2.5. I was right there close. 246. 18 inches on the dot. This guy's still showing his markings from spawn. He's all beat up along the side, his tail. But he is getting a belly back, trying to fatten up from spawn. Nothing like a good topwater bite, man. Let's get this guy back. That brought some life back to the day. Been doing nothing but, man, catching some small fish. Smallmouth haven't even been cooperating. I caught a lot more bottom feeders today. Drum, catfish. It's been a weird day, but that fish right there, man, that made it all worth it. There we go. Feels like a decent fish too. Where are you, Bubba? Oh, he's over here. Yeah, that's not a bad one. You know, I feel sorry for you people down south. I know you got big largemouth, but nothing fights like a good creek, river smallmouth. I was just down in South Carolina a couple weeks ago. Caught a 4.5 pound largemouth and did not fight like this 2 pound creek smallmouth. You just couldn't resist the crawl. Gorgeous fish. Right back in the creek where he belongs. All right, guys, that is gonna do it for this video. Caught a bunch of fish today, probably upwards of 30. Multi-species day, bunch of catfish, drum. There was a walleye and a rock bass mixed in there. Ended up catching that one pretty good smallmouth up there on top water, which made the whole day worth it. We are back to the car. I'm gonna climb this mountain here and I'm gonna head out of here. So hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll catch you on the next one.